And when he was at the place, he said unto them, Pray that ye enter not into temptation. May God bless you. Amen. Tin amun chu avathen chuan an nena. Khem a in lu lo nan tong trai ro. Ati a. Khem na a kan lu lo nan kan tong trai yang. Lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.